I've got this 4-in-1 multi-tool we're going to do an unboxing and review on today from Wild Badger. See what all we got in this package. Oh! This is supposed to be a 40 volt. Comes with 2 batteries. Not sure, we got 3 bars straight out of the box. Alright, we got a charging station. Let's go ahead and get these batteries to charging. Throw that on charge. Throw that on charge. What else we got here? Oh, it's heavy. It's like a hedge trimmer. Alright, we got a hedge trimmer here. Sweet. We'll figure that out in a minute. Alright, now we got the body itself. It's got a place on both sides for both batteries here. Oh, we got a weed eater. Weed eater attachment. Alright, here must be the pole saw. There's the bar, the blade protector, the chain, and the body for the pole saw. Place to put your oil in. Ah! Check this one out. It came with, this is a blade for taking down large debris like trees and whatnot. Got a shoulder strap, got some tools, weed eater head. Now we're going to attach this. I'm going to take this all the way off. There's 2 nuts on the bottom. I'm going to just tighten this up just a little bit here because we're going to have to unloosen it just to readjust this thing here in a little bit. What we need to do to install this guard is we're going to need to have to take this nut off right here. This nut is reverse thread, so you're going to go clockwise instead of counterclockwise to take it off. Go ahead and remove these 2. Take these Allen heads right here off. There's 3 of them. You want your guard to be like this. We'll flip this back over. We'll put this back in its place. Start putting our screws back. Put these back on. To use this string head, you want to just screw this on going counterclockwise. You want to leave this piece on, and it's going to slide up in there like that. We'll put this piece down on there like that, and that piece like that. Now we're going to screw our nut on. My advice is get you a bag or something to keep these accessories in. Now on the pole saw, we're going to install the chain. Let me explain something to you. So right here on this, you'll see that it's got an arrow facing that way. That's the way the blade turns. You'll see this tab right here. If you move this screw, that moves that tab. Put this hole in the bar. We're going to loosen this up so we got plenty of slack to put the chain on. It's very important that you have the chain teeth going in the right direction. You'll see right here, it's like a point, and then it's flat. That point faces that way. You'll come to this next one, it's got a point on the opposite side facing that way, and it's flat back here. That's the side you want going in the rotation as it cuts. Put the chain on the bar, just like this, feed it around, get it in that groove. Then you'll lay this part of the chain inside here. There's some teeth. You see that? There's some teeth inside here, kind of like teeth. But that's where these go into. So I still need to come back with this some more. Take it all the way back. Let's try this again. Alright, now it's fit in there. That's when you come over here and you'll take this or something and turn this till you're bringing this button out. Alright, I feel it starting to tighten up. We want to make sure that our teeth is in the bar. Alright, let's go out with it some more. Alright, that's it. This didn't come with any oil, but you can go to your local hardware store and get some chain and bar oil, and that's what's going to go in right here. It's thicker than regular oil, so you want to make sure that you don't get just regular car oil put in there. Chain and bar oil, not oil, it's oil. Anyways, alright, so we're not going to tighten this down all the way, just snug it. Alright, we got it snug, we're going to back it off just a little bit. That's what loosens up this bar. Our chain is too tight right now. So we want to go in the opposite direction just a little bit. Move that around a little bit. You want a little bit of play in there like that. I'll tighten it up. Turn the chain. It's about right. As you use this, it's going to loosen that chain up. It's going to get broken in. So you'll have to loosen this and adjust this periodically as you're using it. The hedge trimmer already comes assembled. All right, put this hole in first, right up with the screw, and that makes this hole on the side that you need it on. We'll tighten this one up first. Tighten this one up. There we go. To adjust this, like I showed you earlier, you'll squeeze this in. You'll see here on the side that you've got a button. You want to pull this button out and turn it till it sits like that. See that? Turn it, it goes back in, turn it, it comes out. But this also has a hole right here. And that hole is going to line up like this. Flip this and turn it till it locks. But you also need to tighten this up. Now that we've got our weed eater put together, everything's attached to the weed eater, we're going to show you how to start this by, we're going to need to place both batteries inside the unit, just like this, pop it down. And to start this, you'll take this little latch right here and push it forwards. Pull it towards you. Got a pretty good bit of torque. Yeah, we'll get, as soon as it stops raining, we'll get to use this and try it out. On this pole saw, you want to get you some bar and chain oil. Open the lid up. Then on the hedge trimmer, this stuff right here is non-toxic and non-hazardous. So this is fine to use on your plants and around your animals outside. There you go. Pretty good, wild badger. I like it. Done my whole yard. Everything, hedge bushes, pruning, trimming, weed eating, everything. And I've got 3 battery bars left on both of them. So that's pretty much full charge just about.